hey, I want to share two very exciting developments with you on my balcony because two of my favorite plants on my balcony are in full bloom and I want to show you what they look like. Let's start with this plant down here. So this is an Astilbe. It's also known as a false goat's beard or a false spirea. I mean, the leaves itself, they have like this woodland feel to them, I feel. But then they have like these very architectural, very impressive spires. And so before they start blooming, they essentially look like this. Can you see this? Like small red knots here, over here as well. And then, so like in early summer, they start to blossom. I think you can see this here quite spectacularly. I feel like it looks like there are small crystals on the plant. Oh, I think they're so beautiful. And also this one started to bloom here. Yeah, so that's very beautiful. I'm very excited to have this plant on my balcony. And then the second plant is my creeping Jenny. I think it has grown quite considerably in the last couple of weeks. So it's a creeping Jenny or a Lysimachia congestiflora, and I think this specific type is a midnight sun. So you can see this relatively dark foliage, so dark green, brown, black leaves, and then this really bright pop of yellow blooms, and they're all over the plant. It started down here, but I think they're already starting to fade. But on top of here, this is where all the fresh blooms are at the moment. I don't have any yellow on my balcony, so when you look at my balcony, this really pops and really stands out. So very happy to have this yellow accent on my balcony. Yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to show you these two beautiful plants in full bloom, and I hope you liked it. Bye bye.